In today's fast-evolving digital era, data transmission speed and security are paramount. Developed by National Center for High-Performance Computing, DataX is a decentralized IoT integrated cloud platform created with data distribution service. Like a city's transport system, DataX optimizes data flow with high performance and peer-to-peer transmission, even in cross-domain, multi-node, and big data workload scenarios. DataX maintains high efficiency and flexibility with comprehensive protection for data security. The DataX platform integrates intelligent network cameras to provide ultra-low latency and comprehensive surveillance service. With AI recognition, anomalies will be automatically detected in real time. Remote connectivity ensures smooth control of equipment, overcoming operational challenges in high-risk environments. Supporting real-time, multi-screen, and multi-location monitoring, DataX enhances safety management and boosts overall efficiency. In drone applications, DataX enables flight control for drone swarm and remote operation. Multi-drone operations with diverse tasks can be easily accomplished on the DataX platform, supporting automatic battery replacement and cargo handling. With high-precision RTK technology, paired with cloud UTM for drone and mission management, DataX supports applications in smart transportation, urban security, environmental monitoring, logistics, and remote emergency services, establishing a comprehensive drone management system. DataX also achieves high-level technical integration across other fields. In industry, it coordinates diverse automation devices and systems. In healthcare, DataX consolidates device monitoring data for real-time physiological analysis, assisting diagnosis and secure data sharing across locations. In smart cities, DataX combines with 5G networks, enabling real-time vehicle tracking to support smart vehicle-to-everything applications. With its comprehensive cloud service, DataX eliminates the need for specific software downloads, breaking through device and network boundaries, giving you control anytime and anywhere. Through DataX, National Center for High-Performance Computing provides comprehensive solutions for Taiwan's industries, paving the way for a new era of IoT powered by technology.